What is a blade bait? What an awesome, awesome question. What a blade bait is a stamped piece of metal with a weighted lip. And when you attach your top of it, causes a vibration that fish can actually sense through what they call the lateral line. And the lateral line is what a fish uses to actually feed. What is an Echotail? Blade bait with a soft plastic interchangeable tail that can be interchanged with thousands of different products that are already available on the market, making it very easy, and it can mean the difference between catching the fish or the fish just kind of looking at it and saying, I've seen that before, that doesn't interest me. To replace soft plastic tails while you're out traveling on the road, whether it's on vacation, going on a fishing trip, day-to-day transit, you're fish after work, it's unlimited. So underneath, I'm going to take that plastic off, and you're going to see that little barb, and that allows you to be able to interchange all the soft plastics that have been exploded within the fishing industry to being able to actually match them with our product line on a profile jig, so that you can possibly create a lure that nobody else is even using. How many different ways or styles can you fish with a blade bait? Fish with them as a jig, you can fish with them as a lipless crankbait, and you can fish with them as a trolling lure as well. You can cast them from shoreline, you can slow jig them from shoreline, you can troll with them out of the boat. There's just so many unlimited options, and what we did is we came along and we gave you more versatility. Drop us a comment. Let us know if you've ever fished the blade bait before, where you fished the blade bait, what species of fish you have targeted with your blade baits, and give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and be sure to follow us every single Wednesday. We have a new upload for you, just like the one in this video, and every single Saturday we have the Echotail Corner Store, which is our virtual reality shopping experience that I had a vision of many years ago. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and good luck fishing. And what it says here from a post:
blade baits are often grouped with a style of lure known as jigging spoons. Jigging spoons are a mainstay in a western reservoir and are especially effective in cold water situations. A spoon or a blade